This demonstration is going to show you just how to do some math with variable names. So I'll create a new class, double click it to open it for editing. And we're only going to need to do a public static void main. So again, I'll delete the defaults here. We'll keep our public class and the name of our class. We always have to have that. Let's type in our public static void main. This is always the same, never change this. Open curly brace and close curly brace. Now we can do our work inside the body here in between the curly braces. I want to do everything with variable names, so I'm going to declare a few int variables for grades. Let's do maybe some average of some exams. So we'll declare 3. Oops. And I want to do it all with variable names, so I'm going to declare the number of exams too. Now I'm purposely causing a problem here, and I want to show you what happens, and then we'll fix it. So I have my variables I'm going to do my math with, and I'm going to do my math now. And I'm going to add them all together and divide it by my number of exams. And then we'll just print this out. I'm going to give it a nice line label and a string. Concatenate my variable name on here so we can see the answer, and we'll click compile. Now the average of these should be about 88.3, but let's see what we get. So we'll come over here, right click, run our main, click OK. We don't have to give any inputs. You can see we have 88. So what happens here with this math is because all of my values, variables, or whatever, if I hard-coded numbers here, because these are all integers, Java does integer computation here. So there's no decimal point at this point. It saves it in a double, and it only gives it the 0.0. So this math truncates off that decimal point. So we lose it. So let's see how to fix it. Let me clear this for the next run. So what we want to do here is we want to make sure that one of these is a double. So what we can simply do is maybe redeclare the number of exams. This is an easy way to do it. There's other ways. Let's do double better num, and we'll make it 3.0. Right, so this will be our double. So let's copy over some of this, and we'll redo it. Now because we've already declared my average, we don't want to give it its type again, right? I'm reusing it. I'm going to just recompute it, so we have to take that away. Let me show you what would happen if I didn't. You get that it's already defined. So we take that away, and we recompile, and now it's nice. And then let's add a better line label here. So this is going to do the computation with the old one. We want this to do the computation with the new one. So we want to use this double here. So now we'll see the proper answer. Come back over and run it. And you can see that the wrong code truncated it because it was all integer on the right-hand side. But when we put a double in the math, it computed it as a double and saved it as a double and printed it as a double.